Good morning, coming to you from Gimpo Airport. We are on our way to Busan. We have the 7:10 flight to Busan, and we also got a bit of a cold, so taking our medication. Yums. Yeah, gotta fly down to Busan for work, which was cheaper than taking the KTX. So here we are, and I got this from the Pyeongjong, but they started calling us, so I must postpone the eating. How cute are these? I just thought it was a really cute drawing. And we are approaching Busan, Ersan Beach, and now I'm on my way to find something to do actually, because I have quite some time to kill before the shoot. That's why I decided to go to the seaside. It's so early, even the pigeons are still sleeping. That's the situation. It was pretty. However, it's still quite cold.
I was planning on going to that coffee place, that cafe, but it looks very close indeed, so no cafe for Maria.
And that was enough of freezing my butt, so I came to this cafe. I just randomly found it actually, and the view was really nice, and the cakes were pretty good too. It was a 2-floor cafe, which I only found out as I was about to leave. So anyway, I had a couch to myself anyway, so I just chilled there until it was time for me to go to my shoot.
I don't know if it's here or not. Let's find out.
I was indeed in the correct place. And I also managed to mess up my head the week I had a shoot, so that was fun.
Flashback. End of flashback.
But yeah, nothing a bit of concealer couldn't fix, but still, it was great timing, as per usual. And so for this shoot, they washed my hair and then they cut it. They were also gonna style it, and all I had to do was sit there, basically, and let those lovely people work on me. The concept was very natural makeup, so I ended up just doing my own brows, because who doesn't carry a brow brush at all times? And I had some hand cream, so that was the tool of the day. And yeah.
네네네네. 이거고.
이거 제 거 맞을까요?
이거 한 것도. 네. 약간이에요.
I got sneak.
Then we got to shooting. The first look was with this black dress. It was so pretty. I know the focus was the hair, but I was in love with this black dress. It was so pretty. Then we moved on to the second look. This was actually a long sleeve dress, but I asked them if I could tie it like that. And that was it mainly. And after that, I was on my way back to the airport with my favorite protein shake. Love that stuff. And this time I managed to do the self-check-in without writing my name wrong. And everything was smooth sailing from there.